I think the main thing has been that we've now set up to empower the team to succeed. So I think initially, when we first started, the business was very reliant on myself and everything that was in my head. But we've been able to systemize things and put in place processes and develop the tools necessary to help empower the team to actually deliver the good results. So that's probably been the biggest change is empowering the team. I run a small structural engineering company based in Brisbane with a focus on existing structures and structural asset management. So there's a few things that I value from Boardroom. The first one is the amount and the quality of the training material. So there's just a heap of material and training sessions that are available to learn from and a huge amount that we can implement. The second thing is the one-on-one sessions. So the one-on-one coaching sessions help distill all of that information and work out what's next, what the right thing to do is for the business. So that can be a little bit overwhelming to begin with when there's so much out there that are all great ideas and things to improve, but knowing what's going to have the most impact on the business focus on next has been really valuable. The community really is another layer of value that it adds. So it's being able to talk to other like-minded business owners that been there and in the same position and implemented the training and just talking to them about the lessons they've learned and the experiences they've had. I found that really, really valuable.